Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a reindeer with a Christmas wreath. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to start with the reindeer's nose. So I'm going to do a circle for the nose, and then I'm going to do like a little oval inside. So this is going to be like a little shiny bit. It's like where the light is hitting the nose. Now from there, we're going to come on up a bit and up a bit more, like that. And right here, we're gonna come on down and over, and then come on down a bit more. Okay, now we're gonna do a little eye. So I'm gonna do a circle, and then a circle inside, and a little oval there on the bottom, and then I'm going to color everything in black. Okay, and I'm going to do a little oval underneath as like a little cute little blushy eye bit, little blushy cheek. All right, so right here, let's do an ear and a little line there for the inside of the ear. And I'm going to do a cute little smile right here. It's going to be a cute little happy reindeer. Now, let's do a little bit of hair here, little floofy bits of fur. Now, next thing we're going to do, give him some antlers. So let's come on up and do a little, great big upside down U shape. How about that? And then we'll come on up a little bit more, do another one, come on up, and then curve, and then another little one, come on down, that again, and come on down. All right, so there's one antler. Now let's do another one. So come on over, one like that, come on up, another one, and come on up again. And then we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. So now we're going to do the other ear, so we can kind of see a little bit of ear on the other side, and a little line there for the inside. All right, so next, let's do a line here, and let's have like a little collar here. And we can do maybe a bell. So a great big circle. And let's do a line and another line, and then an oval here, and color that in dark, and then a thick line right there and color that in dark. All right, so now let's finish this collar like that. And I'm gonna do another little bit there, a little line, and another little line right here. And now let's get started on the wreath. So let's see. He's gonna be kind of coming out of the wreath. So we can have some little like floofy bits. Just real kind of leafy green bits. Well, they're not green yet, but they will be. So I'm just kind of making these great big, I guess when they're upside down, they're a real U shape, real big U shape. So upside down U shapes. And we're making lots of them. And over here. But I'm doing them in a curved shape. So just all over the place. I think when you finish drawing this picture, I think maybe this would be a really cute picture to give to someone for Christmas, or maybe it would make a really cute picture for a Christmas card. I don't know. I just think it's really festive. Really helps put you in the holiday spirit. All right, so we've got our wreath shape and our little kind of like fluffy tree bits. But it's a Christmas wreath, so maybe we can add some big circles here, and they could be like, maybe we'll color them in red, and maybe they could be like little berries. Just little red berries throughout the wreath. Maybe some are big, some are little, and you don't have to add these, it's up to you. I just think it would be a nice little bit of color. All right, so that's it for the drawing, and now let's do some coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our reindeer with Christmas wreath. Thank you for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodle. All right, goodbye.